The Hill State People Democratic Party, or Hspdp, has regained its strength after former members and leaders who had earlier joined the VPP returned to their original party at a meeting held at Bishop Hall, Nongstoin yesterday. The party warmly welcomed Ba Kwek Lingdor, who resigned as the secretary of the VPP Nongstoin, along with other leaders and members who left the VPP. Badariti Lingdor Nonglat, Hspdp MDC candidate from Nongstoin, expressed hope for rebuilding the community, while MLA Methodius Dekar highlighted Hspdp's ongoing support for the MDA government and its contribution to state development.
Housing license bagi semua kali-kali begini. Housing.
Banyak banyak sansen uncap ter katalog. Kerap ada depi mungkin orang baru film orang hala ijong jeli. Yang ini ada kecik sat, ini ada kecik snoret, ini ada kecik champagne, minum teh banyak, minum teh banyak kentok, minum teh banyak kenokti juga. Ringin batkan mungkin orang, upah orang jangan minum itip elang jong minum orang, ngin batkan. Kiway kita menyalap mentaya, ki clean politics, kita menyalap, kita kiway isu kita parti Hspdp, kita ada practice sabotan kisah maupun Nongstoin.
Ni tempat kita kinoin, walau kita tak tahu walau kita tak tahu kincer, tak tahu parti Hspdp itu, kalau parti Hspdp harus begini sini, kadang ni kinoin, bagi nanti dia kita cuba. Ginong ilang chung ilang uswa, kilamat pang pun kilamat janti, bagi nang yang pun dia kita.
The Biglaya